Good morning, everybody. Not yet afternoon. I welcome my co-speakers in this session, and they're all eminent speakers. The recurrent theme of our topic is to enlighten the general ophthalmologists, not that they need enlightening, but to tell them the quick fixes in cornea practice. Even if they don't have access to a cornea specialist, they can do these little things in their OPD practice without any difficulty. So we'll introduce the speakers as we go along. So I will start my topic with corneal scraping. Corneal scraping, I think, was covered in the previous session also. The microbiological workup of corneal ulcers goes with specimen collection, staining and culture, lab analysis, antibiotic susceptibility testing. The diagnostic stains, as we know, are gram, Giemsa, acid-fast, acridine orange, calcoflow white. Gram stain is routinely used, gram positive being bluish purple, gram negative appearing pink. Gram staining procedure involves application of the crystal, fixing the slide, application of crystal violet, the mordant, decolorizing, and counter staining. Now we can see the gram positive are purple. Okay, so it is microbiological workup of corneal ulcers. I will keep it very brief so my other speakers get enough time. And let's make it very practical. We know that gram stain, now you can see my slides, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So gram, Giemsa, acid-fast, acridine orange, and calcoflow white. Routinely, we do gram staining procedures in the OPD. We can also send to the microbiologist. Here we heat fix the slide or, alcohol fix or acetone fix, send it to the microbiologist. Or we can do it here itself by application of crystal violet, iodine, alcohol decolorization, and safranin. Gram positive being purple, gram negative being pink in color. And we can also see fungal hyphae in the gram stain itself. In the Giemsa stain, also we can see the fungal hyphae, bacteria, and you can see the polymorphs here. You can see the gram negative pink in color. Acid-fast stain for nocardia and mycobacteria can also be done in the laboratory or in your own OPD practice. Then we also can see nocardia and the beaded filamentous bacilli and mycobacteria and atypical mycobacteria. Culture plates like blood agar, chocolate agar, thioglycolate, saborods, anaerobic media are routinely available. The LJ medium, the Thayer-Martin medium is also available if asked for, but not very routinely. The one liquid media, at least the brain heart infusion agar, can be kept. We don't want to put them in the transport media, better to plate it in the culture media directly. And we find that we have to put it in the C streaks so that we can eliminate the contamination there. And the culture media, the fungi and the acanthamoeba can also be recovered on blood agar, but acanthamoeba mostly on non-nutrient agar. And we have several studies, but we'll keep everything very practical here. So the scraping can be done in the OPD itself. And we can scrape it at the slit lamp and use a Bart Parker blade, 15 number, after application of proparacaine, which may not really reduce the yield that we get from there. And basic, at least we can keep on blood agar, chocolate agar, and saborod's dextrose agar. And in the OPD itself, we can keep a microscope there, and you can also have KOH. 5 KOH pellets in 10 ml of distilled water would make it 10% KOH. You can put the scraping on a slide, put the KOH and put the cover slip, wait for about 5 minutes. You can see that 5x magnification. You keep the condenser a little lower, put a dark field illumination there, and then you focus it with a 40x microscope, 40x this one. You can clean your 40x with xylene. You find that frequently it gets dirty, but you can do this we do it in our OPD itself, because by the time you send the KOH to the microbiologist, it gets a little dried up. So you can see the fungal hyphae very clearly. You add calcoflow white also if you have a fluorescent microscope. And if you add lactophenol cotton blue after it grows on the culture plate, you can even make out which fungus it is. So here we have the blood chocolate, saborod dextrose, non-nutrient and thioglycolate broth. We have this growth on saborods and we could see the aspergillus there. Practical tips in the OPD are more than 2 mm ulcer, it's better to scrape, and if no response in 48 to 72 hours, better to re-scrape. Thank you for your attention.